So I've had my Lymow One Plus for about 2 months now. Mowed around 7.5 acres of grass with it so far, over I think about 109 hours. Gonna do a little cleanup and maintenance. It's been really dry lately, so it got dusty, and then last night we had a couple sprinkles when I was trying to finish the mowing. So clean everything up real good, give it a once over, make sure be good to go for another 110 hours. A little bit of grass buildup underneath the deck, so I'll scrape that and wash it. Looks like that's some string, maybe some landscape fabric remnants wrapped around the shaft, so I'll pull the blades off and make sure I get that off before it builds up too much. Blades don't look too bad, no major nicks in them. Supposedly my spare set of blades is supposed to be shipping soon, so I'll just keep swapping them out every now and then and sharpen the old ones. Got the inside of the deck cleaned up with a couple minutes of scraping, and I scrubbed down with a little scrub brush and some warm water and some wash and wax. Not perfect, but it's just going to get dirty when I send it back out to mow. Get the big chunks off, and got the strings that were wrapped around the mower spindles. Get it all put together and then wipe down the outside and check the tracks. Checking out the tracks, got a little bit of grass build up here and there. The biggest thing I notice is that you get thin layers of grass building up there, and then that makes that diameter of the wheel get bigger around and makes the tracks tighter. So I just like to take a metal putty knife and run the edge along there and knock that off. That way don't get too much tension, and then usually the back wheel doesn't take nearly as much. A little bit of scraping here and there and blow it out with a leaf blower, and then should be good for a while again. Quick cleanup while I had it in the garage here. Blew off all the grass, wiped it down with some Aerospace 303, and then I know a lot of people have been having a lot of problems with the mower blade motors overheating. I usually run mine in the evening when I get home from work, so I haven't seen that too much. But I figured I'd put this carbon fiber vinyl wrap on it. Not the best vinyl wrapper, so there's a few wrinkles in here. I'm hoping I put it out in the sun, get it warm up a little bit, and work a few of them out with a plastic scraper or something. But we'll see how it works. Got it from a sign guy I work with, so if it doesn't work, I'm not out nothing. We'll send it back out to mow for another 100 hours. Tried the silver carbon fiber vinyl wrap, and it seems to be confusing the little guy. It must be seeing reflections or something with the vision system, because whenever the deck's all the way up at 4 inches, I think, then it does that. So I guess we're peeling this guy off here. Luckily that's easy to do. Hopefully that fixes the problem, or I just ruined a piece for nothing. Yep, there he goes. Well, maybe. Alright, well, if I have more issues, I'll let the silver vinyl, and it's driving around just fine, getting ready to mow this very large portion of our yard here. Think we'll be good now.
Lawnmower starting now. Attention, lawnmower starting now.
Not sure what that was about. Alright, roundabout way to get there, but now we're off and mowing.